So Sheikh, when I'm coming from school, I use a public mode of transport. And so they play songs in the transport. And when I come back home, it's time for Asr. So I try my best to concentrate, but still I fail sometimes. So what can I do to improve my concentration, and will I be sinful for not being able to concentrate during those instances?
Whether you're sinful or not, this is in Allah's hands, because Allah knows your capability, and Allah does not hold a person accountable for what they cannot bear. You should try to avoid such music in public transportation by wearing your headphones so that you would listen to Quran or to beneficial lectures that would distract you from listening to that music. And if this is not applicable or possible, then try your level best to concentrate in the salat and to remind yourself who you're standing in front and what you're saying in the Fatiha and the Adhkar and the likes.